Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited. So we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. So this one is just going to be the premium. I was able to order 2 premiums and 1 deluxe. I did order them all separately though because I was having a lot of trouble ordering them on order day. Obviously there's a line and I was one of the people who's having the issue with the drop down menu, but whatever. So I do have a massive box here. I ended up getting one of the hoodies. So let's get started and pop this sucker open. I've not seen anything inside. I'm like really excited. This one, I forget how much this cost, but, and it wasn't the $100 one, it was whatever. So we have pretty tissue paper that I think says suck me not. Love that. Nice and, you know, nice and classy here. Why not? So hoodie first, and we will take out our lovely little mystery box, and then inside there is actually, that was amazing. Love that. I forgot there was like something behind me. I'm an idiot. I got one of the promotional cards from the Conspiracy palette. Oh, here we go, a receipt. So my hoodie that I got was $45 and the box was $60. So let's start off with the hoodie. I might have to scoot back. So I don't know what it says in the front, so I'm kind of actually excited. I don't know if it's just plain, and it very well could be. Okay, so it has a heart with the logo, which is super cute. But this is the one that has, oh my god, all the little sayings on the back, which is super cute. I kind of just liked how it looked. It was really adorable, so I thought we are totally gonna get this, so I'll be excited to wear that on after the video. Throw it on, wear that on. What the hell am I saying? Anyways, let's open up our mystery box. So this one was $60. It was so good. I have not watched any spoilers. Well, I lied. I've watched the Supreme. This kills me because I always try to save the boxes. So I hate when I like have to rip it. What is going on? Am I opening it like I already ripped it? Or is it just really... Am I opening it wrong? Sure am. This is my first time apparently opening a box. Love that. Okay. Alright. So, oh, okay. So we got the lip gloss. I'm assuming, I forget if they're all the same or not, so this is succulent. I don't remember how many things are supposed to be in this box or not. But, so we got succulent. How do you open this? Now, I'm not a huge lip gloss fan. Oh my god. But, I mean, limited edition. I'm not gonna not keep this, so let's swatch it. Okay, that's actually really pretty. You totally can't see it. Let's see, maybe I'll put like a little, I want to try because I think Tati or whoever said you like dab a little in the center. And it's a way just to give a little gloss without being too crazy. I like that. That's really pretty. Okay. Carrying on. We got a beanie. So that's kind of cute. So it says Jeffree Star, obviously. I think I got something that I already have, which I'm okay with. So I see the little emblem, Jeffree Star. That's super duper duper cute. Alright, red tissue paper. I think this one only had 4 items, I'm assuming. So, whatever. I got a pop socket, which I'm excited about because I've kind of wanted one from Jeffree Star. So yeah, I got a pink pop socket. Love it. And then, if this is what I'm thinking it is, I think I'm correct. And I already have this. But that's okay, because now that this fucker is discontinued, it is what I thought it was. So, it is the Alien palette, so I do already have this. But, we shall see. I don't know. We'll decide if I keep it or not. But, this is what, oh my god. If I can open it up. This is what it looks like on the inside. I don't know why my brain for a second thought it'd be any different. But yeah, that's it. I'm trying to think. Any thoughts? I don't know. It's cool. I'm really super stoked to have it. I think what's hard is when you already have a palette, it's exciting to have it. Don't get me wrong, and I know people would kill over this, so like, maybe not kill, I'm being exaggerated. But yeah, I don't know. I'm still really excited to get my deluxe. I think it's like, it's always like, when it's over in like 2 seconds and you're like, okay, whatever. But yeah, that was my simple, I never wear beanies, but, I mean, that looks cute. I like that, looks adorable. I like lip gloss, I'm happy it's limited edition. Succulent, super tight. I'm happy I have another Alien palette, because why not? And I'm happy that I have a pop socket. Okay, anyways, I will, am I supposed to tally all this up? Probably. Let me do that. Be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I went ahead and tallied everything up, of course, because there are, you know, things like this beanie, which I have no idea. There's nothing on his site. I think I put it about 20 bucks. The pop socket, I kind of looked up pop sockets in general. The average kind of price was about $15, between 10 and 20. 15. The lip gloss is 18, and the palette, the one that I found, I'm just guessing this other ones, is about $52. So when I actually calculated up, firing up, everything actually did come out at the value of $105. Again, you know, this is a super great box. I'm not gonna say it's not. I think especially if you don't have the Alien palette, that is definitely a killer, super killer deal, especially because it's now discontinued, and it is a really great palette. So, at the end of the day, I really do like this box. I still am gonna keep my eye out and not watch any of the other boxes, because I'm still curious to see. I really kind of hope that in one of the boxes, I still don't have, I think, the Beauty Killer. That's the only palette of his that I do not have, besides, like, a couple of the highlighter palettes, so my chances of getting it, maybe will hope, I don't know, but I might just have to buy it. But anyways, I am super excited. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Also random, if you like this look that I have on, I did film it. And I will be having a video come out super, super, super soon with it. So stay tuned. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see y'all later. Okay, bye.